Zaragoza, Spain, September 28, 2025. Zaragoza is experiencing an intense storm this Sunday afternoon, causing significant flooding, traffic disruptions, and multiple incidents throughout the city. The Barranco de la Muerte, Z30 near Parque Venecia, has been closed off as a precaution by the local police, while firefighters are working tirelessly to respond to more than 100 incidents related to the torrential rains and hail that fell during the afternoon, with several people trapped in their vehicles rescued. Although no situation has been critical so far, the force of the water and wind has required extreme precautions. Specifically, the city council reported on the occasional rescues of vehicles trapped in flooded areas by firefighters, whose personnel helped free the occupants, all of whom were in good condition. The most significant rescue occurred in Santa Fe, where a team of 3 heavy vehicles was deployed to rescue 3 people trapped in 2 cars. Similarly, one of these teams has headed to Maria de Huerva, given its proximity, where an emergency call has arrived about a family trapped in their vehicle. In the Aragonese capital, in the Parque Goya neighborhood, teams are bailing out water from the Mayas de Goya crossing, which is completely flooded, causing the interruption of tram service in the area and the implementation of alternative buses. The tram line has been operating at most stops except between Campus Rio Ebro and the Adolfo Aznar/La Cambra stops, at the Actor Station, and in Val d'Espartera, between Los Olvidados and Mago d'Oaz. The tramway will update information in real time on its website and social media, so that users can plan their journeys safely. Full service was restored along the entire line at around 9:15 p.m. Other areas where significant water accumulations have been recorded include Avenida Illustration and Ligas La Cambra, in the Actor neighborhood, as well as the Royal Villanova Hospital, where firefighters have performed conventional pumping operations in the basement of the building, without affecting the operation of the hospital. The remaining interventions have consisted of minor pumping operations on sloping properties and streets, as well as inspections to ensure natural water drainage. On Paseo La Mina, a tree has fallen across the road, blocking both directions and forcing a temporary closure. The tree fell in the middle of the road as if it were a building, a witness told this outlet.